Hello traders and good evening. Welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's daily US dollar index review. My name is Martin Rimes. Today's date is Wednesday, February 19, 2014. Hey, please check out hitthemarktrading.com. I promote trend and momentum trading, okay? And it's a simplified process and it seems to do pretty well, very consistent, and I'd love for you to join us. Beyond that, you can take a look at the Simplified Options Trading course. If you have ever thought about trading options, maybe you tried in the past, but you feel a little overwhelmed, this is a perfect course. And it comes with 2 months of my option picks, okay? And my goodness, we're doing tremendous so far this year. Okay. I talked to you earlier about the US dollar index, and let me go to the chart here. Remember, everything I mention is for educational purposes only, okay? Now, let's go to the chart. I talked to you about the US dollar index. Oh, that's the TF. Forgive me. Let me grab it here. Sorry, I didn't have that lined up. DX, DX, DX. This is a great example if you're not a trader of the index. We got in long and we had our target already decided. Okay, dollar index. Well, when I talked to you this morning, we talked about how price was just testing this line. Seems like that's what price likes to do. It'll break through, test, try to move up. We've identified this resistance area. Got a little price alarm there. Can't do it, falls back to the line. Try again, can't do it, falls back to the line. Okay? So we expect the line to hold. If it doesn't, we're going to go to 79,500, and that typically will hold for us. And when I say typically, let me just show you something here. Here is the monthly chart. Where is the monthly chart? This is all 79,500. Gosh, we're going all the way back to 2008. Very, very strong support, okay? So we expect if it dips down there that it's going to reverse. Okay. Let me get back to business over here on the daily. All right. So it looks like we're trying to come up. This is your initial action after the Federal Reserve, okay? Apparently there was a line in the minutes that said, hey, we might raise interest rates sooner rather than later, and that strengthens the dollar. This morning when I talked to you, I said, well, let's draw some lines, and if we break out to the top, we're going to come here and see how that happened, of course, because we see this happen all the time over and over and over, okay? Now, looking at tomorrow, here's our floor pivots, okay? So, gosh, what do we decide? What's going to happen here? Well, the first thing we're going to do is probably drop down a little bit. Oh, probably to this area. And then I better draw some new lines. If we break above here, we know we're going to go to this floor pivot. The R1, and the bottom one is right here. Okay. So let me draw one more line. Okay. If we break through here and we do not bounce up higher off of this moving average or the floor pivot, if we fall through, then here's our target. Okay. All right. Very simple, very simple. That's it for tonight. I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye now.